Good morning, everyone, or evening, depending on where you're tuning in from. Welcome back to another edition of Greenground with me, Alvin, your guide through the whirlwind of what's happening around the world. As we shake off the magic of Christmas and step into this crisp end-of-year stretch, the globe doesn't pause for breath. From icy runways grounding holiday dreams to bold strikes against shadows in distant lands, today's stories weave a tapestry of resilience, tension, and those unexpected turns that remind us how interconnected we all are. Pull up a chair, maybe sip that coffee, and let's dive in together, shall we? Picture this: families bundled up, suitcases in hand, hearts full of anticipation for Christmas reunions, only for Mother Nature to throw a curveball of epic proportions. Across the U.S. Midwest and Northeast, winter storms have turned air travel into a nightmare straight out of a holiday movie gone wrong. Over 1,100 flights canceled, nearly 4,000 delayed. Airports from Chicago to Boston looking like ghost towns dusted in snow. It's the peak travel rush, that mad dash home for turkey and tinsel. And now thousands are stranded, sipping lukewarm coffee in terminals that feel more like igloos. We've all been there in some form, haven't we? That sinking feeling when your boarding pass becomes a paperweight. But amid the chaos, there's this quiet heroism. Airlines rerouting, communities opening warming centers, people sharing stories and snacks with strangers. It's a reminder that even when the skies betray us, human kindness cuts through the cold. Shifting gears across the Atlantic, let's talk about a strike that landed with the precision of a holiday gift no one saw coming. On Christmas Day itself, U.S. forces, in close coordination with Nigeria, unleashed airstrikes on ISIS militants in the northwest of the country. Tomahawk cruise missiles raining down on terrorist targets. President Trump called it a powerful and deadly blow, timed deliberately for the holiday to send a message. He even quipped in interviews that it was like delivering a Christmas present to hit these butchers who threaten innocents, especially Christians in the region. The Pentagon confirms multiple ISIS fighters taken out, with debris still being cleared from the sites. Nigeria's foreign minister praised the teamwork, sharing intelligence to combat these groups that have plagued the area alongside threats like Boko Haram. Republicans on Capitol Hill are backing it strongly, and both sides hint more could be on the way. In a world where terror doesn't take holidays off, this feels like a resolute stand, protection wrapped in resolve. Now let's drift eastward to Japan, where the festive season has been marred by a couple of heart-wrenching incidents that underscore how fragile safety can be. First, a highway crash amid snowy conditions. 1 life lost, 26 others injured. Slippery roads, poor visibility. It's the kind of tragedy that hits hard in a nation so meticulous about precision. And, separately, a stabbing combined with a spray attack, leaving 15 people hurt. Details are still unfolding, but it's a stark call